Play the what-if game. Instead of stressing about all the things you need to do, ask yourself, what if everything goes smoothly today? Or what if I get everything done on time? This can help you shift your focus towards positive outcomes and attract more good things into your life. Use power poses. Strike a power pose like Wonder Woman or Superman to boost your confidence and feel more empowered. This can help you tackle your tasks with more energy and enthusiasm. Create a hype playlist. Create a playlist of upbeat, motivating songs that inspire you and make you feel good. Listen to it whenever you need a quick pick-me-up or a reminder of your awesomeness. Make it a game. Turn your to-do list into a game by assigning points to each task and rewarding yourself for reaching certain milestones. This can make your busy day feel more fun and motivating. Write yourself a pep talk. Write yourself a fun, uplifting pep talk that you can read whenever you need a boost. Use colorful markers, stickers, and glitter to make it extra special and fun. Remember, revising your thoughts and assumptions during a busy day doesn't have to be boring or stressful. By using these fun and creative methods, you can stay positive, motivated, and focused throughout the day. So, embrace your inner child and make your busy day a fun adventure. And if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when my new videos are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.